Hey viewers, you are watching this update and I am Shudha. Bengali migrants living in New Delhi are rushing back to their home districts ahead of the upcoming West Bengal elections. The move comes amid fears that missing a vote could lead to deletion from future electoral rolls. The West Bengal Assembly elections are scheduled for April 23rd and 29th. Many migrants say they want to ensure their names are on the voter list. They also want to avoid any risk of losing their voting rights. The concern follow the reports of errors in the voter list after the special intensive revision exercise. Several migrants claimed that their names are missing or have been removed. Others said there are delays in updating the rolls. Many workers are now traveling home early. They aim to verify or correct their voter details before the April 19 deadline. Long queues and ticket shortages have been reported at railway stations and bus terminals. One migrant laborer said his name is not on the voter list. He said only one of his four brothers has been listed. The other three are being treated as foreigners. He added that many people in his area plan to travel together to vote. He said arranging tickets has become difficult due to the rush. He also said some names have appeared only recently. Others are still missing but may be added before the deadline. A migrant said his wife's name has been removed from the voter list. He said his own name is still there. He added that such cases are not rare. He said his sister-in-law's name has also been deleted. The issue has triggered political reactions. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has criticized the revision process. She alleged a nexus between the Election Commission and the BJP. She claimed it is an attempt to remove eligible voters. Meanwhile, the Election Commission of India has defended the exercise. The revision aims to clean up the voter list. Officials say such steps are necessary to ensure accuracy. The matter has also reached the Supreme Court of India. The court noted that the revision process was largely smooth in the other state. However, it acknowledged that West Bengal has been more disturbed and the Chief Justice observed that there has been limited litigation elsewhere. He said complications exist in other states too, but not at the same level. According to official data, the total number of voters in West Bengal has reduced after the revision. The number now stands at about 7.4 crore. Earlier, it was around 7.66 crore. This shows a drop of over 61 lakh names. As the election dates approach, anxiety among migrant voters continues to grow. Many are determined to return home and secure their right to vote.
मेरा नाम नासमिन परवीन है।
आप बंगाल में कहाँ से हैं?
बंगाल में मैं नॉर्थ जोन जो है कुछ बिहार वहाँ से बिलोंग करती हूँ। वहाँ एक गांव है नाजिरहाट कुमारगंज, वहाँ से मैं हूँ पर्टिकुलरली।
इस बार जो बंगाल चुनाव आ रहे हैं, इसमें आप वोट डालने जाएंगे मैम?
जी हाँ, मैं भी जाऊँगी फैमिली के साथ।
अच्छा, एक ऐसी लोगों में डर फैल रहा है कि अगर वो वोट डालने नहीं गए तो नेक्स्ट लिस्ट जो आएगी वोटर लिस्ट, उसमें उनका नाम काट दिया जाएगा। क्या ऐसा कुछ सुनने को मिला है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ तो मैंने सुना नहीं, ऐसे कोई कंसर्न्स नहीं है बेसिकली। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जो लास्ट जनरेशन था उनका ही इशू हुआ था, कुछ तो हुआ होगा तभी, बट आगे ऐसा मुझे लगता नहीं कुछ ऐसा होगा। हो सकता है यस।
हाँ, काट दिया नाम सारे।
कई नाम काटे?
हाँ, मेरा बीबी का वोट भी काट गया। मेरा भी सही है।
आपका सही है?
हाँ।
आपकी वाइफ का वोट?
वाइफ का वोट काट गया।
कुछ पता चला क्यों काटा है उनका वोट?
वो पता नहीं चला अभी तक।
और कोई आपके नोन में जो ऐसे हो जिनका वोट काटा गया हो?
वो बहुत है ऐसे काटने वाला वोट, बहुत वोट काट गया।
हाँ। आपके परिवार में?
मेरा परिवार में 2 वोट काट गया।
किसका?
मेरा बीबी का और मेरा भाभी का।
अच्छा, बाकियों के हैं?
हाँ, बाकी का है।
तो जितने बाकी लोग हैं वो जाएंगे वोट डालने?
हाँ, सारे जाएगा वोट डालने।
कौन से चरण में है? फर्स्ट वाले में, दूसरे वाले में?
क्या हमारा वेस्ट बंगाल में वो फर्स्ट में है। 23 तारीख को।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.